Okay, today I'm gonna let you know how you can use warlus operator or whatever it is called. Like its spelling is this. Uh, it's not even called warlus, but yeah, some people call it warlus because I have seen it like documents and all. So yeah, just let me give you a demo of it. And one thing more, you should have Python 3.8. It's only supported in 3.8. Now let me just show you a demo how you can use it. Suppose you want to let me take a variable name. It's an online interpreter because I wasn't having like 3.8. I used 3.6 because downgraded version are basically good because all libraries support it. Yeah, so let me just take a warless operator and let me just give it 4. Okay, now I'll just do print and I'll do warless. So yeah, everybody knows it will print like 4. Okay, so now suppose I want to like initialize also and print also. So yeah, this, yeah, see. Okay, it's an error because it was expecting an string because here is it. So we can just like do like this. Yeah, now see. Yeah, it's 4. See, it has initialized warless also and printed also. Now let me just print again, warless print warless. Yeah, C44. See, it's so good. Now let me just show you a demo how you can so in a while loop, how you will use it in a while loop. Suppose you are doing you are suppose inputting in a list, like you will do in, you will take a list. Let me take a list R and you will do like a while loop. Why it's going there again, while loop, and you will just do current equals to input, enter your string. Okay, so now we will ask the user to enter their string and we will just append it in a variable list star. Yeah, dot append append but we want to break it also, like if let's just give a if current current is equal to quit break. Okay, so let's just run it and see how it is working. Syntax oh sorry, yeah, enter string this enter string this. Okay, let me just quit it. Okay, now you can just literally do it in like one line. Yeah, in just one line. Okay, let me just show you how. Like we will do this and we will like, okay, we'll like do current equals to input, enter your string. Yeah. If not equal to quit. Star dot append. Okay, let me just tell you what is happening here. So we are using a loop. We are telling current we are taking an input and saving it initially in current, and after saving it, like you can see we have a this bracket. Yeah, after saving in variable we are like checking is it equal to quit or is it not equal to quit, or if it's not, just go here. If is it like loop again or just quit it, whatever. So let me just run it. Yeah, and that is, sorry, yeah, yeah, and let me just like quit. So yes, this is so easy. You can just go here and type uh, if you want to like know about more about this Python 3.8. Yeah. See, you have to put this colon, okay? Yeah. Uh, it was on real Python. Yeah. This is the website. They have explained very well like how you can use this feature. Very cool, and they have like explained other features also of Python 3.8. Yeah, so you can just go here and check. They have like literally described how you can just use it. It's beautifully scripted. Yeah, so that was it from my side. Thanks.